In today's video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best salon chairs. On this channel, we give a random shout out for our subscribers. If you want to get mentioned in our next video, you should subscribe now and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on our new videos. Shout out to Josie Coiffure. We appreciate your support. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best salon chairs. Number 1, K-Concept KC-ASC01 Salon Chair. To ensure customer satisfaction, barber chairs must be cozy. To make things easier to use, most high-end models come with an adjustable height feature. Others have cushions inside for your utmost convenience. Most barber chairs include a solid stainless steel frame for long-term use. K-Concept Styling Chair is meant to support and cradle your weight thanks to its sturdy, tiny cell foam cushioning. Hairstylists who work with average-sized clientele like the 19-inch seat width and 400-pound weight restriction. The chair's hydraulic height adjustment pump operates smoothly and can lift the chair from a sitting height of 20 inches to a standing height of 26 inches. Compared to other chairs, the chrome spherical base is more solid and has a lower profile. The black color scheme may be used in any salon. This chair is well suited to a variety of tasks. The pros are, it has a weight limit of 400 pounds. The cushion is made of long-lasting foam, convenient and up-to-date aesthetics, discreet footing, and affordable price. The cons are, not everyone loves the T-bar footrests like K-Concept. Number 2, Artist Hand Hydraulic Reclining Barber Chair. Hairdresser chairs like these are hard to come by, but this one is a standout. To begin, the product's ergonomics are top-notch, making it ideal for its intended audience. The product utilizes high-quality cushioning to keep the customer comfortable for as long as possible. In addition, the bottom lever provides a rapid height adjustment. Furthermore, the round chrome base of steel does not damage the floor because it has a rubber ring to prevent it. Assembling the device is straightforward and comes with a detailed instruction booklet. The pros are, it has a PU leather cover. It's simple to put together. It is also sturdy and comfortable. It's easy to clean and conveniently tucks away in tight spots. However, the cons are, it's an expensive chair. The base may be sturdier for slightly chubby customers. Number 3, Best Salon Styling Heavy Duty Barber Salon Chair. To begin, the high-density cushioning of this chair provides a comfy backrest and cushion. Polyurethane PU is used for the cover, which is comfortable to sit on, easy to clean, and long-lasting. A pedal supporting both the legs and the foot has also been introduced. It allows customers to sit for a prolonged time. You may raise the chair's height by stepping on the hydraulic pump or reduce it by hoofing on the bottom. Finally, the chair's base is built of chrome and rubber to keep the chair from squeaking and keep the customers upright so they may obtain the perfect hairstyle or cut. Since there are just a few components and thorough instructions in the handbook, the installation process is straightforward, even if it isn't entirely constructed. Everything about this barber chair, from the base, hydraulic pump, and cushioning, is meticulously designed. The pros are, its high-density foam provides excellent comfort. It's easy to clean. It features 360-degree spins. The hydraulic pump and footrest are easily adjustable. It has a steel frame with chrome base. User manual and accessories are also included. The cons are, many consumers believe pumps need upgrading. Number 4, BIGARM All-Purpose Salon Barber Chair. Meet another fantastic salon chair. The golden rustic fabric of BIGARM will make the salon's design more attractive. Despite the cover's lovely shade and rough texture, it may be included in any salon design to add a unique shade punch. It has a removable headrest and a backrest that can be adjusted to 150 degrees to suit the client's needs. It also has a hydraulic lifting mechanism for raising and lowering it. The seat is boxy with large armrests. The high-density foam is covered with PU leather to produce this chair. The chair's foundation appears strong. A heavy-duty black circular chrome stand is included for optimal stability. With its solid structure and creative design, an all-purpose salon chair will make your customer feel pampered and luxurious. The pros are it comes with a raising and reclining mechanism. It is also covered with high-density foam. It also has a unique color and fantastic fabric. It's a highly durable salon chair and has a built-in heavy-duty hydraulic pump. However, the cons are assembly may need the assistance of 2 individuals. The shorter person may find the chair excessively wide. Number 5, Shengyu Black Hydraulic Styling Barber Chair. Here comes our last pick on the list. Shengyu Salon Chair. A salon chair that combines comfort and aesthetics will speak about your company and its standards. The fabric of this beautiful chair is tufted in a geometric pattern and attached with buttons. Fine pearls adorn the frame, adding to the unique pattern. Your clients will feel pampered with the gently padded plush cushioning and footrest for maximum comfort. It has a year guarantee on the hydraulic pump like other salon chairs. The polyurethane PU coating makes cleaning between customers a breeze. A handy hairdryer logo holster helps keep your tools close at hand. The chair can take up to 400 pounds and has a seat width of 19 inches and a whole chair width of 25 inches, all supported by heavy-duty chrome. It simply implies the chair can fit all clients. The pros are, it features a high-quality classic style. It has a large weight capacity, ideal for larger customers. Hydraulic pump and footrest are included. A hairdryer loop holster is an additional feature. It's simple to look after. The cons are, it is expensive. The best salon chairs may be a major headache to find if you don't know where to look. All of the chairs mentioned earlier are excellent in terms of performance and quality. The purchasing guide helps you choose the right product for you. Then pick one from our favorites. Buying guide: what to look for before buying the best salon chair. 1. The surface material. The upholstery material is one of the most significant variables that unquestionably influences the quality and look. Because the materials used in low-cost models are often of poor quality, they rapidly lose their aesthetic appeal. As a result, extra attention should be used while selecting the material's quality and kind. Like any other pieces of equipment, chairs must be cleaned and disinfected regularly. High-quality synthetic leather or vinyl leather is the best and most long-lasting solution. 2. Chairs frames. A chair's structure is just as critical for hair salon chair design. If you can afford it, go for a metal-framed model instead of a plastic one. However, despite their higher cost, they are more durable than plastic alternatives. Additionally, the frame may be equipped with wheels that make it easier to move about. However, it isn't easy when your customer rolls about the place. It is more common to choose stationary with a round or square base. 3. The mechanism for raising. It's not uncommon for the expense of the chair to be accounted for in large part by this seemingly insignificant feature. Pneumatic and hydraulic systems are the most frequent and reliable solutions, and they're also easy to operate. Due to their high cost and shaky design, I don't advocate electric lifting devices. Hydraulic systems, on the other hand, are so essential, it is possible to replace faulty parts. 4. Design. Let us know if you disagree, but we are a big fan of old school hair shop chair designs. Look for traditional black chairs with comfortable backs if you're at a men's barbershop. There are more color options available at a women's beauty salon, but we like hair salon chairs that evoke the look of vintage vinyl salons, which is a widespread trend if you know. There are several other seats to choose from, so you don't have to agree with our opinion. 5. Easy to maintain. The chair's ability to be cleaned and maintained is also a significant feature. Assume you have to deal with 8 to 12 consumers every single day. To keep them comfy, you must maintain the chair. Please make sure the chair is easy to clean when customers are done with their treatments. Having the chair in a clean state will make them pleased. The chair must be quickly cleaned. To keep your salon running smoothly, you should invest in a chair that is simple to clean and maintain. 6. Warranty. In regards to the chair, we have no idea what will happen. A chair with a guarantee is a must-have for a salon. It's simple to fix when something goes wrong with a chair covered by a warranty. All you have to do now is return the chair to the seller and wait for them to take action. Even if the chair is damaged, at least you know where to send it. Except after the guaranteed time has expired, you don't have to get confused to identify the top chair dealers. 7. Easy to mix and match. It would be nice to have a chair that complements the workspace and is visually appealing. Customers will be impressed by your salon management skills and opt to remain loyal to you. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the link in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comment section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.